Welcome to Vikram Aditya Publishers channel. Hi, today we discuss about understanding visa denials and how to reapply successfully. Let's start the topic. Visa denials can be frustrating and discouraging, but understanding the reasons for denial and knowing how to successfully reapply can significantly improve your chances of obtaining a visa. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to navigate the process. 1. Common reasons for visa denial. Understanding why your visa was denied is the first step in successfully reapplying. Some common reasons include A. Incomplete or incorrect documentation. Visa applications require thorough documentation. Missing documents, providing outdated forms, or submitting incorrect information can lead to automatic denial. Many visa denials occur because applicants fail to provide sufficient proof that they can cover their tuition and living expenses while abroad. Countries want to ensure that you won't be a financial burden. For most non-immigrant visas, like student visas, demonstrating strong ties to your home country, such as family, property, or a job, is essential. Failure to convince the visa officer that you intend to return home can result in denial. If you're applying for a student visa, failing to meet the educational institution's requirements, like language proficiency, example TOEFL, IELTS, can result in a visa denial. Previous visa overstays, illegal work history, or any violation of immigration laws may negatively impact your visa application. If there is any doubt about the authenticity of your documents, sponsorship, or intent for the visa, it may be denied due to suspicion of fraud. 2. What to do after a visa denial. If your visa is denied, here are the steps you can take to reapply successfully. Most visa denial letters explain the reason for rejection. Read this letter carefully to understand where your application fell short. Once you understand why your visa was denied, take concrete steps to address the issue. If it was a financial issue, ensure you have clear and sufficient proof of your ability to cover costs. Make sure all documents are complete, up-to-date, and address the specific concerns from the previous application. If your visa process requires an interview, focus on addressing the concerns that led to your previous denial. Be confident, honest, and clear about your intentions. 3 steps to reapply successfully. In the US, after a 214(b) denial, you can reapply at any time, but you should only do so if your circumstances have significantly changed. Other countries may have a mandatory waiting period before you can reapply. You will likely need to start the visa application process again. Complete the new application form, ensuring that all information is accurate and up-to-date. Make sure to submit all required documents, including any additional proof that addresses the reason for your previous denial. In most cases, you will need to pay the visa application fee again when you reapply. Final thoughts. Reapplying after a visa denial is not only possible but often successful if you understand and address the reasons for the rejection. Patience, preparation, and clear documentation are the keys to turning a visa denial into a successful reapplication. By carefully addressing the reasons for denial and reapplying with a stronger case, many applicants successfully obtain their visas on subsequent attempts. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.